Cooking makes me happy. Like, it's very sentimental to me because my grandma used to teach me. So it's like really nice to cook. Hi, my name is Gabriela Valentin. I'm in the Santaluces Culinary Academy. I've been in the Culinary Academy for 4 years now. It's really a good experience if you want to, pursue that career. And I really wanted to. I've been doing culinary since I was in middle school. It's really fun. I made this banana cream muffin and it was really good. And I don't even like bananas, so yeah. I love seeing people's faces when they smile and enjoy our food. It does help to have this awesome kitchen behind me. Look at all these people. In the future, what I want to do is be an entrepreneur and start my baking business, called Luna's Bakery. Hopefully it happens, so we're praying. If you love to cook and you have a passion for it, go ahead and do it. It's really fun, and at the end you eat your food, so